Today I tried a new recipe for tomato chutney because I believe variety is the spice of life. So let me show you how I made it. So to start with, we need tomatoes. I've roughly chopped them and few garlic pods. So now we are taking a kadai and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil. 1 or 2 tablespoons is enough. And 1 tablespoon of urad dal. And I'm adding here 5 to 6 dry red chilies and the garlic. And roast them in the oil until they turn brown. The urad dal should be lightly brown. And then I'm adding tomatoes. And we'll fry them nicely in oil until the tomato cooks properly and becomes soft and mushy. Once it's cooked like soft, it becomes soft and mushy, we'll let the tomatoes to cool down a bit before grinding them. So now after cooling down, we are transferring it to a jar. And next I'm adding salt and a bit of tamarind to it. So to give a nice and add water and grind it finely, like it should be very smooth. Now we'll put a tadka to it. I'm taking another tablespoon of oil and add a teaspoon of mustard seeds and dried red chilies and curry leaves also. We are adding curry leaves to it. Let them flutter nicely. And then we'll add this tadka to the chutney and mix it well. So now the tomato chutney is ready. You can pair it with any type of dosa and also chapatis, and even you can try it as a complement to rice with rice and dal recipe. So what I found is the chutney to be okay, not too great. So please subscribe to our channel Foods Memory and